If you're using Poe AI, one of the most powerful features is chatting with different AI bots in the same place, but most people don't use it properly. In this tutorial, I'll show you how to chat with AI bots in Poe AI step by step, so you can get better answers and save time. First, open Poe AI in your browser or app and sign in with your account. Once you're inside, you'll land on the main dashboard where all the bots are listed. Next, browse the list of available bots. You can choose from different models like GPT-based bots, Claude-style assistants, and other specialized AI tools depending on your task. Now click on any bot to start a new chat. This opens a conversation window where you can type your questions or prompts directly. Here, the key part, be clear and specific. Instead of short, unclear messages, explain exactly what you want. This helps the AI give you more accurate and useful answers. One powerful feature is that you can switch between bots anytime. If one bot doesn't give the answer you want, try another model for a different perspective. You can even compare responses from multiple AI bots in the same conversation. Just use different bots side by side to get better insights and choose the best answer. After you get a reply, you can continue the chat by asking follow-up questions. This helps you refine ideas, improve writing, or go deeper into any topic. If you get a good answer, you can copy it, save it, or reuse it in your projects like blogs, videos, or business work. And that's how to chat with AI bots in Poe AI. Yeah, once you understand how to use different bots and prompts properly, you can get much better results and work faster. Thanks for watching and good luck exploring Poe AI.